this is the Stihl GTA 26. So this is a handheld, two-hand operation chainsaw for doing those small trees and bushes. GTA 26, very easy to use. Put the battery in here, take the safety catch off, and then squeeze for operation. So you take the chain off here, safety catch operation, two hands. This is a GTA 26 box, so it comes in the box, and within the box is all the kit, along with the charger to put your battery in there, so the battery easily fits in there, plugs into the wall and gets charged up there. So battery, charger, and you also get some lubrication as well. All comes in the box. So the chain oil goes in here for lubrication round the chain. A nice handy wee chainsaw, two-handed operation, battery controlled for doing the small trees and bushes round about your garden. A great buy from Stihl.